silence is so loud. So, ano gagawin natin? Magtititigan. Dahil lang din ako magawa eh. Kanta-kantahan na lang tayo. Lakasan din.
I could say I never dared to think about you in that way, but I would be lying. And I pretend I'm happy for you when you find some dude to take home. But I won't deny that in the midst of the crowds, in the shapes, in the clouds, I don't see nobody but you. In my rose-tinted dreams, wrinkled silk on my sheets, I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked onto something. Who could say that they saw us come and tell me? Do you feel the love? Spend the summer lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dreams. Tell me, do you feel the love? And I could say I never answered those, yeah, but that's far from the truth. I don't know what's gonna move me. It seems like yesterday when I said we'll be friends forever. Constellations of stars, murals on city walls. I don't see nobody but you. You're my vice, you're my muse, you're a night full of you. I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked onto something. You could say that they saw us coming. Tell me, do you feel the love? Spend the summer lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dreams. Tell me, boy, you got me hooked onto something. You could say that they saw us coming. Tell me, do you feel the love? Spend the summer lifetime. Take you to the place of your dreams. Tell me, do you feel the love? Do you feel the love? Do you feel the love?
Eh, kanta-kanta. Shape of my heart. I don't know yung shape of my heart. Nagugutom ako. Gusto ko ng nachos. Nachos. Ay, malakas. Di na marinig. Sandali nga. Check. Ay, lakasan ko na lang to. Ayan. Check, check, check. Happy birthday sa inyo. Sa mga may birthday. So sick. Ay, gusto ko itong acoustic. Acoustic lounge. Wow, kanta-kanta. Check. Yan natin, pantay natin.
Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone, 'cause right now it says that we can't come through the phone. And I know it moves, 'cause you walked out the door. But it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous. It's been months. For some reason I just can't get over us. And I'm struggling. Enough is enough. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over. And I'm sick of, and I'm so sick of love songs. For some reason I just change music. Ang ginaw, mag-jacket ka. Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone. 'Cause right now it says that we can't come through the phone. And I know it makes no sense, 'cause you walked out the door. But it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous. It's been months. For some reason I just can't get over us. And I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio? Maganda mabagal to. The calendar, this March, July 15th, because since there's no anniversary.
You and Me by Lighthouse. I don't know, hindi ko alam yun. Alam ko lang. Ano ba yun eh? You and Me. You and Me. You and I. Hindi ko to alam. Cause Paramore songs, Rakista, Greed by Philip, Drowning in the Water. Drowning in the Water, wala pa siyang karaoke. Runaway, Leonora. Ano Leonora? 99, Kinakagat ang Dila. Nandito si Stel. Alam ko nakakantahin natin. Pero na kaya? Aray ko, meron na.
Dito lamang sa tabi mo. Kahit kailan may hindi kita tala ko'y nabiyag ng mat mo.
Dayari, di ko alam ka na.
Pero wala ko sa tuwing na naniwanag. At kahit ganun pa
yakapin lamang kita. Huwag nang mag-alala, pakailan may di na mag-isa habang buhay kita pakataas. Ayan. Dahil lang dito si Stel, papakitang gilas tayo. Ang hirap ng pasukan. Ako ay nandito lamang sa tabi mo, kahit kailan may hindi kita iiwan lang ba yun? Iiwanan? Ilang tala ko'y nabiyag ng mata mo. Di sabay yung karaoke na sa tuwing nahariyan ang liwanag mo. At kahit na ganun pa man ay yakapin lamang kita. Huwag nang mag-alala, pakailan may di na mag-isa habang buhay kita mamahalin. Hindi ko kaya para. Ang hirap to kantahin, yung piano hindi sabay sa yung green na gumagalaw, hindi sabay. Sa liwanag mo dala kong pangako, sa'yo na palasyo, nagawa sa mga batong binulsa. Halatang yun lang yung alam na kanta eh. Huwag nang mag-alala, pakailan may di na mag-iisa habang buhay kita. Ay, dito pa lang pala yun. Ako naiiyak. Heto ako, bibigyan ng ginang pangalan mo. Dapat pag-iyak ito. Ang taas! Umiyak na lang. King. Sa isip ko lang yung nota, hindi na magawa. Apakataas. Drowning in the water. 'Cause you see, they see water. Karaoke. Ay, tignan natin kung meron na agad. Uy, meron na agad. 5 days ago. Pero hindi ko to kabisado. Chorus lang alam ko dito. You said you love me, and that's all right. But You can't. You can look in my eyes. Hindi ko kabisado. You see this the love they say ba yun? Cause you see they say. Cause you see they say diba? Peke itong karaoke. You see there's a lot of women in. Ang tatas naman ng mga kanta ng mga kagrupo ko. Lumipat na lang tayo sa mababa yung kanta. Tapos di ko rin alam yung kanta. Yari na naman. Fake fan ako. Yari. Don't tell me it's wrong. It's wrong. Cause it's not. Gano'n ba kababa?
Pagkapasok ng instrumental yung gitara, akala ko, oh kaibigan ko, bakit ba?
La, parehas ba? Oh kaibigan ko, bakit ba ganito? Para bang isang misteryo. Oh kaibigan ko, di mapagtanto kung ano ba sinasabi ng mga mata. Mataas ganun. Nag-message si Stel para daw ano. Bakit drawing in the water yung sinasabi nyo? Drowning yun eh. Drawing in the water? Paano yun? After ng pagbaril. Nababaliw na naman ako. 1999, kinakagat ang dila hanggang mawala, hanggang mamaga. Kinakagat ang nagkasingaw na ako. Sa kakakagat ng dila. Anong kantahin natin? Alam nyo, kinanta ko na to kanina, kantahin ko ulit. Ito ang aking all-time favorite. Sinking. Sino nakakaalam nito? Pantay na ba yung audio? It's her hair and her eyes today that just simply take me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way. All the times I have sat and stared as she thoughtfully thumbs through her hair. And she purses her lips, bats her eyes, and she plays with me, sitting there slack-jawed and nothing to say. Cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands. Cause she's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again. Napaghalata na yung edad. Grabe naman kayo. It's a masterful melody when she calls out my name to me. As the world spins around her, she laughs, rolls her eyes, and I feel like I'm falling, but it's no surprise. Cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands. Cause it's frightening to be swimming in this strange sea, but I'd rather be here than on land. Yes, she's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again. Ayoko na, pagod na ako. Kapagod siya kasi bilis dire-diretso. Dire-diretso siya kaya nakakapagod kantahin. Randomantic. Di ko alam yung mga songs na inaano nyo eh. Sino ba si Leonora? Yung Ron ng Leonora. The Who is Leonora. Tita ko yun, si Tita Honor. Leonora. Ako ay nandito lamang sa tabi mo, ngunit wala kong anino sa tuwing nariyan ang liwanag mo. Hi sir, ay Mengay pala to. My cat Mengay. Asan si Tim kumakain? Naririnig ko. Ay mini pang amoy. Passenger seat. Alam ko ba yung passenger seat? Ano nga ba yung passenger seat? Oh, let me be the one. Ay, itong ano nito? Hello, girl, to smile. Pagod na ako manta, guys. Kasi kanina bago mag-live dito, naka-live ako sa hub ko sa Facebook. Kaya pagod na ako. Nakanta rin ako kanina. Touch by touch. Asan yung mic ko? Kinuha ng kuya ko. Ginamit niyang karaoke sa kwarto niya at di na binalik. Umalis na ng bahay ay sinama yung ko. Yung binili kong karaoke. Tenerife Sea. Patutugin nga na Tenerife Sea. Hindi ako makadecide, pero isa to sa favorite Ed Sheeran song ko. Hindi makadecide. Dami kasing gusto. Give Me Love, Tenerife.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lies and people who talk too much. You got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. You look so beautiful in this light, your silhouette over me. The way it brings out the blue.
Isang good luck. Good luck sa Lunes sa mga may exam. Lagi na lang may exam. Kahit walang pasok, may exam. Lahat pa good luck sa exam. Kahit walang pasok, may exam. Agoy. Maybe this time. Maybe this time. Baby, how we more than just friends. Parang kaibigan pala, maybe this time, no? Maybe this time, we can be more than just friends. Ano daw? Hindi ko alam lyrics. Perfect. Sofa. Invite mo si Stel. Naka-live ba si Stel? Hindi naman naka-live. Moving closer. Yung ano. Ano nga yun? Inch by inch we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale. Ako ay may singaw dito sa loob. Ayusin na natin kasi yan, para kita naman ako dito. Ganito ako. Ayan. Excuse me. Back to December kayo ah. I miss your tan skin, your sweet smile, so good to me, so right. Ayoko nang kumanta, pagod na ako. J. Rowa, ang gusto kong kata ni J. Rowa, ano, Taguan, tsaka ano, tsaka, ano yun yung konkretong pader? Konkretong pader na namamagitan sa pamamagitan ng pagmamahal. Konkretong pader. Gusto nila tayong pigilan. Pero ang ating pagmamahalan di na. Ano yun? Konkretong pader. Wala nga lang tong ano, wala tong karaoke.
Marami mang umahadlan, marami mang may ayaw,
Wow.
marami mang hindi sang-ayon, pero wala yun. Wala naman tayong pakialam dun. Kahit ano man ang balakin, kahit ano man ang mangyari, kahit minsan imposible, hindi pwede, tayo pa rin hanggang sa huli. Di man natin masasabi na tayo talagang itinadhana para sa isa't isa, pero sana kumapit ka lang sa'kin at sabay nating sirain ang konkretong pader na namamagitan sa pamamagitan ng pagmamahal. Konkretong pader na namamagitan, gusto nila tayong pigilan, pero ang ating pagmamahalan hindi kahigitan ng kahit na anuman.
Any movie reco, series, panoorin nyo na yung House of the Dragons. House of the Dragons.
Kaya kahit pakalaban militar, basta wag na wag ka lang mabibitaw. Lagi mong tandaan, kakampi kita, walang makakapigil, di kaya higitan. Hindi ito harang ng tipikal, pagtanan wala nang mahabang pilitan. Galawang kriminal, resulta ng pagmamahalang iligal. Kailangan bilisan, alam ko naman kasi nahihirapan ka na kung saan kita kikitain. At naiilang ka sa mga nakapaligid. Bakit di mo ba aminin na mahilig ka manitigag? Di ka ba nabibigla sa lihim na pag-ibig natin araw-araw? Unti-unti akong nabibighani, kasi maski ang tipin sa piling mo nagiging hari. Aking lilinawin, malinis ang aking hangarin.
Ano to? Pagitan pala, hindi konkretong pader ang title, Pagitan. Oy, ayan na si Stel Ahero. What's up, Mr. Stel?
Ayun, pinag-live pa ako para daw sumali.
Hoy! Aray ko.
Labat din yung bangs ko.
Bungal. Ay, ito.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Nag-rap. Sandali.